It's doggy ice cream. Woo! Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making Zeus some doggy treats. He's a Siberian Husky. He's actually 2, and he'll be turning 3 on December 24th. All that you're gonna have is some peanut butter. Now I have peanut butter powder, but if you have peanut butter, it is also going to work. You're gonna need a spoon to scoop this out, so you're gonna need that. You're also going to need some almond milk. I have some Silk unsweetened almond milk. That way it's more healthier for your dog. Also need 1 banana. If you have more than 1 dog, or if you're planning on making these in mass numbers, then you can multiply this recipe by however much you want to. I'm going to be using a neutral lid for this recipe, but you can also use any blender or any kind of mixer to make these. You're gonna need a freezer to store this so that these can become doggy ice cream. And you're also going to need some sort of container and a lid for that, and it should look something like this. So let's get right into it. So I'm just going to take my blender, I'm gonna unscrew the top where it has the actual blender part, and I'm going to unpeel the, and I'm going to take all of the peeling off, and you're just going to put this, try to cut it, well, you can just tear it off into like chunks so it's easier for it to blend. And then it should look something like this. Now I'm going to take my peanut butter, and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of this. Make sure it's not too much, and put it right in there. Just about 2, because if we put too much, it could hurt their tummies. I'm gonna take about 1 or 2 cups of this unsweetened, so it's healthy for your dog, unsweetened Silk almond milk. I'm just gonna pour it right over it in case I spill any. I'm just gonna do about 1 cup of this, and I'm gonna pour it right in there. Now I'm going to put the top of the mixer back on, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it in my blender, so I'm going to be switching camera angles right now.
So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right on my tremble. I'm just going to put it.
Then I'm going to shake it up just a little, and then turn it, and then we're going to be ready to pour. Once you have your stuff blended, we're going to take one of our cups, and we're just going to pour this right in there, and then we're going to freeze them in the freezer for about 4 to 6 hours. Sometimes it's better to wait actually overnight so that it's really cold and frozen and stuff. So we're just gonna pour this gently right into this little container. Don't fill it all the way, because when it freezes, it'll be stuck on your lid. All we're gonna do is you're gonna put the lid on, and then now we're going to freeze for 4 to 6 hours. That's all we have for you guys today on this wonderful Saturday. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I always leave the links to my social medias down in the description box below, so go follow me. Don't forget to follow his Instagram, and I will see you in the next Saturday with Maddie. Bye! It's doggy ice cream. Woo! Woo! Okay. So I actually just fed him the rest of the extras from the ice cream, and he loves it. All I use is my own recipe that I created by myself. Say hi, Birdie. He's so cute.